This equipment is mainly used for flux and other residues. It can simultaneously achieve cleaning, rinsing, and hot air drying. The cleaning, rinsing, and drying time can be set through the HMI. Start cleaning. The spray pressure can be adjusted to adapt to different cleaning requirements of workpieces. One-click operation. The whole cleaning process is completed automatically, without manual intervention. Adopt scientific nozzle design, which completely solves the cleaning blonde area. The equipment has a real-time circulation filtration system to improve the utilization rate of liquid. It uses high-pressure fan and heated air to dry. Drying effect is faster and more thorough. Take out the PCBA board. The cleaning effect is shown. The PCBA board is very clean.